Microtasking and testing apps or websites have become an increasingly popular way to earn money online. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's certainly a flexible and straightforward way to make some extra cash. Whether you're a student looking for side income, a stay-at-home parent, or someone just curious about testing out the digital world's inner workings, this guide will get you started. First off, let's break down what microtasking and app or website testing involve. Microtasking is completing small, repetitive tasks for companies, often tasks that computers can't yet handle effectively. These might include data entry, transcription, categorizing images, or even verifying search engine results. Website and app testing, on the other hand, requires you to evaluate the functionality, usability, and overall user experience of a platform, providing feedback that companies can use to improve their products. So, where can you find these opportunities? Let's dive into some platforms that can get you started. Keep watching because I'll also share some tips and a few laughs along the way. Because testing apps without humor is like testing food without salt. One of the most popular platforms is user testing. This website pays you to test apps, websites, and prototypes, offering your feedback. You'll need to record your screen and voice while completing tasks, so make sure you don't accidentally blurt out something embarrassing. Pay rates vary, but you can earn around $10 for a 20-minute test. Think about it. $30 an hour just for talking to your computer. It's like having a chat with your digital diary, but you get paid. Next up is TestBirds. This platform is great because it lets you test a variety of things, from apps to websites to smart home devices. They even have tests for tech that hasn't hit the market yet. It's like being part of a secret society, except instead of passwords, you get test links. The pay depends on the complexity of the test, but you can earn anywhere between $20 and $50 for a session. If you're looking for microtasking platforms, Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk, is a classic choice. Here, you'll find small tasks called HITs, human intelligence tasks. These range from tagging images to transcribing short audio clips. While each task pays pennies to a few dollars, For those who prefer app testing, Try My UI is a top pick. Like user testing, you'll review websites and apps, recording your thoughts and actions. They're big on honest feedback. So if you think an app's design looks like it was made in the 90s, feel free to say so. Just maybe phrase it a little nicer. Tests usually pay $10 each and take about 20 minutes. Now, let's sprinkle in some humor. Have you ever tested an app and felt like it was actively testing your patience instead? Click here, they say, but nothing happens. It's like the app is playing hard to get, but that's part of the job. Spotting the glitches before they make it to the end user. If you're into beta testing, check out beta testing. Here, you can try apps, websites, or even physical products before they're launched. Imagine telling your friends, "Yeah, I used that app before it was cool." Bonus points if you find bugs that save the company from a public relations nightmare. For surveys, websites like Prolific are excellent. They focus on academic studies, so you're contributing to research while earning money. Plus, the surveys are often thought-provoking. 1 minute you're answering questions about your shopping habits, and the next, you're helping a PhD student with their thesis. Who knew earning money could make you feel so intellectual? And let's not forget UTest, a platform for those serious about testing. They offer bug bounty programs, meaning the more bugs you find, the more you earn. If you've ever felt like Sherlock Holmes while finding glitches in an app, this is your time to shine. Just don't wear a deerstalker hat during your video submissions. Save that for Halloween. Before we wrap up, a few tips for success. 1. Take the qualifications seriously. Many platforms require you to pass tests before you start earning. Think of it as unlocking level 1 of your side hustle adventure. 2. Stay organized. Juggling multiple platforms can get chaotic, so keep track of your tasks and payments. 3. Be honest in your feedback. Companies value genuine insights over sugar-coated comments. 4. Don't multitask. Testing apps while binge-watching your favorite series is a recipe for disaster. You might end up typing Netflix rules in a product feedback form. And that's your ultimate guide to microtasking and testing apps or websites. If you've tried any of these platforms, let me know in the comments. Got a funny testing story? Share that too, because who doesn't love a good laugh while earning? Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and side hustle secrets. Until next time, happy testing, and may all your glitches be profitable ones.